Welcome to climatEDU. Whether you're a student planning to take the full course or a teacher interested in leading your students through the material, this tutorial has you covered. Start by making an account. You can do this by clicking the Register button front and center on the main page, or by navigating to the Login page, or visit climatEDU.org/register. Once you make an account, that login page will turn into a dashboard page up top. Based on whether you've created a student or a teacher account, your dashboard will look a little different. Let's explore the course platform. On your dashboard page, you can view your progress of the climatEDU course based on how many questions you've answered for each unit. To visit the unit content itself, click the title or the progress bar for that unit. On each of the 8 unit pages, you'll be able to scroll through the course content filled with articles, videos, our commentary, and questions for you to answer. Anytime you navigate away from the page or click outside of the question box, your answer will be saved. For easy navigation through the course, you can open the sidebar to jump to specific sections or click the grid icon in the bottom right to jump between different units. Planning to take climatEDU with a class? You can join a class or switch classes by inputting a class code specified by your teacher. After you join, teachers will be able to view your progress and unit responses in their dashboard. To view feedback on your unit responses, click the comment icon for any unit. You'll see messages from your teacher or even our climatEDU team. In the announcements section, our team will be able to keep you in the loop with updates we've made to the course and site. It's our way of communicating our developments with you. If you'd like to provide feedback to our team on the course or any issues that you're experiencing, you can send us a message via the feedback section or send us an email at hello@climateedu.org. Happy learning! For teachers, on your dashboard, you'll first need to create a class title and class join code. Once your students join your class, their progress will be displayed on your dashboard page. Click the drop-down icon to open each student's progress and click the comment icon to view that student's responses for the specific unit. When you save feedback on the responses page, that feedback will show up on the student's responses page too. Although your question responses won't be saved as a teacher, you can still reference the course units by clicking any title or progress bar for that unit. Just as described in the students section of this tutorial, you can click the hamburger menu to jump to specific sections or jump between different units. On your dashboard page, you can also view announcements from our team and leave feedback for us via the feedback form or by sending us an email at hello@climateedu.org. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and reach out to us if you have any additional questions. We hope you enjoy the course.